Alright, we're on round 2. Got the brandy. We're actually leaving a little boat in. We're going out on a big boat. The fog has cleared. Brandy, get over here. Hey, get over here. She's not really listening right now. But yeah, we're taking the big boat out. Fog's clearing up, so maybe we can get some bottom fishing in. See you out there. Woo. Yeah, we're about 13 feet right now. The coast, 12 feet. Coast Guard still does not have any channel markers out. We got a good cookie trail. You good? We're headed out. We're gonna see the fog is gone. Patchy fog, but yeah.
We're at 7 feet.
7 feet?
Yeah.
So we've all had those days that some days a fishing trip turns into a boat ride. This is middle of February in Apalachicola, and the big celebration of this trip is actually the boat gets on plane. My uncle's been working on this boat for 2.5 years. He found some mechanical whoopsie daisies, got them all fixed, got the props properly pitched. So this is actually the first time we've taken the boat out, gotten it up on step, and what would have been a 4-hour very slow push through water, the lure's 290 gets up on step and hits a respectable 18 knots. So if you don't want to see a cool boat ride and beautiful views of the Gulf of Mexico, by all means, move along to the next one. But if you want to stay and enjoy the adventure that I am bringing to you all every chance I can, feel free to follow through. It's a pretty interesting one. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all continue to watch. I'm going to continue to make these because these videos are fun. So it was fun to go out and take Brandy along. You'll see she has a dinner cruise. Got really lucky by having a boat dog. So we will see you all on the next one. We got some big things in the work coming up soon. Battery's about dead, but we're gonna get you going.
before you turn sharp, remember we got trollers out.
I know. I wasn't paying attention and it turned no way.
I don't know what it is. I guess we're gonna find out.
There's a lot of something there. Go fishing, you have to reel it. May just be bait fish, I don't know, or it could be.
Well, I've got a bottom rig ready, a knocker rig ready right there.
It could be just. There's something there.
Yeah, tell you what. Get these out of the way. We're done with these, aren't we?
Yeah, I don't see.
Maybe I'm gonna climb up there. Yeah, we'll go. So stick it up there.
It could be, jellyfish too.
Yeah, well, yeah.
You want the other one?
Yep, might as well. Well, no, we can rig that one up to the bottom.
What do you get on yours?
Squid.
Squid?
Yep.
Frozen squid?
Yep, frozen squid. I've got everything sitting out right now.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Frozen side.
Yeah, 'cause watch this.
You get nibbles? Oh yeah, lazy guy. Those are nice though.
Yeah, we're gonna play with it. Yeah, I hit it bottom and just let it bounce on the bottom.
What kind of hook are they?
Huh? Those are the circle hooks. Yeah. Yeah, I'll throw it. While that's thinking about it.
If there's anything like
Yep.
there is I don't know if that's just little bait or what that is. There's
Yeah.
a lot of stuff in there.
That's a really good rod. That's custom made by the Gale Force girls.
Our form. What does it look like there? See?
Yeah, it's blowing us into the tower right now.
That's definitely blowing this way. Look at that.
Oh wow. Okay. I like that.
Maybe.
Maybe. Yeah.
We had good stuff over there, but they weren't biting.
Yeah.